Hello students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, 12th chapter, okay? 12th chapter, Vriksharopan. Okay, it's a nice chapter and you know very well about the trees, the importance of trees. The chapter belongs to importance of trees. Okay, Vriksharopan, which means tree planting, that means planting trees. Okay, so it's a story. Here the author gives you a story. Through this story you will understand the importance of what? The trees. Okay, so let us start this chapter. You know that the benefits of trees, you know very well. The planting trees are very important for our society, for our earth, isn't it? For our environment. So I'll start the lesson for you now. All of you listen. Part 12 Vriksharopan. Part 12 Vriksharopan. Vriksharopan karna. That means to plant the trees. Okay. पाठ प्रवेश लेसन इंट्रोडक्शन वन हमारे लिए अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है. As you all know, forest actually it's very important for us. Very what you call we can't avoid the trees, isn't it? One, forest is very essential for us. Trees are very essential for us. वृक्ष मिट्टी की शक्ति को बनाए रखते हैं. What's the reason why trees are so important for us? Because these trees actually protect our soil also, isn't it? Protects our soil. It gives energy, or what you call, it makes it keeps the soil more strong. You know that maybe you have learned in small classes about soil erosion, isn't it? Soil erosion, the trees can stop the soil erosion, isn't it? Trees will, the roots of the trees what you call holds the soil very well, okay, and the soil will not move away from the earth when the rain comes, the strong wind comes. Okay, so trees are protecting our soil, our earth, thus our environment also protected by the trees. Okay, तथा वातावरण को भी शुद्ध रखते हैं. Not only this, trees actually purifies our environment. शुद्ध रखना, प्योर रखना. ओके, शुद्ध रखते हैं हमारे वातावरण को. वातावरण यानी एनवायरनमेंट. ओके, बिकॉज ट्रीज, you know that trees when takes it is taking trees are taking oxygen while warm. You know that when they prepare for photosynthesis, when the process photosynthesis happens, the trees will give out oxygen and will take carbon dioxide, isn't it? So the environment will fill with oxygen, pure air, oxygen. It's because of only the trees. Okay. Now हर घर में पौधा लगाना जरूरी है. In each houses we have to plant trees. We have to plant saplings. Okay. Then वृक्षों को काटना हानिकारक भी है. You know that to cut trees, actually if we cut trees, this is very harmful for our earth. We all know about it very well. Okay, so this is the story of Balram and Shyam. Balram और श्याम की कहानी है. ये उनकी कहानी है. ये दो brothers है. उनका नाम है, in the story there are two brothers named Balram and Shyam. Okay, दोनों बहुत मेहनती थे. They were very hardworking. Okay, बलराम और श्याम कैसे थे? मेहनती थे. श्याम को प्रकृति से बहुत प्रेम था. श्याम was a nature lover. That means he loved nature very much. Okay, प्रकृति यानी nature. उसने मैसूर रोड पर एक फार्म लिया और कई जगहों से फलों एवं फूलों के वृक्ष लाकर वहां लगाए. उसने क्या किया? एक दिन उसने मैसूर रोड पर, द रोड मैसूर नेम्ड रोड, वहाँ पर एक फार्म लिया. he brought one farm there. Okay, that means he bought one farm there. You know that land of one farmland he bought in मैसूर रोड. और उसने क्या किया? कई जगहों से फलों एवं फूलों के वृक्ष लाकर वहाँ लगाए. He planted many saplings of flowers, From here and there he collected saplings of flowers, different flowers, and he planted there in the farm. Okay. और क्या हुआ देखो, इस दौरान उसे अपनी कंपनी के काम से जापान जाना पड़ गया। वहां वो 2 वर्ष रहा। इस दौरान, that means meanwhile, he had to go away to Japan from his company. He was working in a company, and from company actually he had to go to Japan for any company work actually. So he had to go there for 2 years, 2 वर्ष के लिए वहाँ रहा। ओके, जापान जाना पड़ा। इस बीच, इन बिटवीन दिस, व्हाट हैपेंड यू नो, उसके बड़े भाई बलराम ने पौधों की ओर ध्यान नहीं दिया, जिससे सारे पौधे सूख गए। इन बिटवीन दिस व्हाट हैपेंड, ही वेंट टू जापान and बड़े भाई बलराम, the elder brother Balram actually he neglected the farm. He didn't what you call give more any care to the farm or plants, isn't it? Then what happened to the trees and plants? All the plants got dry. Okay, the farm, he you know that here हमारे श्याम ने क्या किया था पहले, before going to Japan? He planted many saplings of flowers, isn't it? So all these flowers and paudhe, the plants got dry. Okay, then we'll move to next paragraph. Let us see what happens. बलराम के मन में उस फार्म में एक सुंदर निवास बनवाने की इच्छा जगी। बलराम के मन में, in his mind, in Balram's mind, there was a plan actually. He desired something. You know what? उस फार्म में एक सुंदर निवास बनवाने की इच्छा। He planned to make a beautiful home there in the farm. Okay, निवास means one home, house. Then उसने मजदूरों को आदेश देकर वहाँ एक सुंदर कलात्मक झोंपड़ी बनवा ली। He ordered to the laborers, that means workers, to make one a hut. झोंपड़ी क्या है? एक hut. Okay, एक झोंपड़ी बनवा दी. As his laborers, workers, to make one hut. And what type of hut, you know? Artistic. That means very beautiful one. An artistic hut. He made there. He asked his workers to do. Okay, वे लोग सपरिवार शनिवार और रविवार को वहाँ आकर रहने लगे. And after this, with family, they came there. They used to come there in the farm. That means in this hut. And they start to stay there in this hut. Okay, with family, Balram and his family. Shanivar or Ravivar ko, that means on Saturdays and Sundays. He used to come with his family here and used to spend time here in this artistic hut. That means very beautiful hut it was. Okay, then श्याम, उसके बाद क्या हुआ? श्याम जापान में लोगों को भारत की वन संपदा के बारे में बताता था. There in Japan, Shyam used to say about what you know, भारत की वन संपदा के बारे में, उसके बारे में, किसके बारे में? About what he used to say to the Japanese, you know, भारत की वन संपदा, about the forest treasure in India. Okay, in our India, you know, very forest areas we can see, many forest areas we can see here in our country, you know. So Shyam used to say about it to the Japanese. He was so proud. He was feeling so proud about it. He was saying about the what you call one sampada, the treasure or forest treasure. That means about the forest, the wild animals in the forest, the trees and plants in the forest, about the spices, about the fruits and flowers, isn't it? So he was talking about the forest treasure to whom, you know, Japan के लोगों से, to the Japanese. Okay? उसने यह भी बताया कि भारत विशाल भूखंड वन प्रदेश है और इनसे ही विश्व का निर्माण, विकास एवं सुरक्षा होती है. उसने यह भी बताया, he told this also, you know what, भारत एक विशाल भूखंड वन प्रदेश है. India is a vast, very vast land which is having what you call good, very good fine forest area here. Okay, and विश्व का निर्माण, this world is actually existing because of these forest areas. निर्माण, उसका विश्व का निर्माण, विकास, the improvement, development of the world and protection of this world, everything is actually actually it is the because of what, you know, it is because of the forest areas, forest treasure of India. So whose opinion it was? Shyam's, isn't it? Shyam used to say it like this to the Japanese. Okay, now we will move to next sentence. Then क्या हुआ? 2 वर्ष बाद जब श्याम भारत लौटा तो वो वहां से कई पौधे लेकर आया. After 2 years when he returned to Bharat, वहाँ से जापान से ही brought many पौधे, plants from Japan. Okay, देखो जब वो फार्म पहुंचा तो हैरान रह गया. when he reached the farm in Mysore रोड में एक फार्म खरीदा ना, so वहाँ when he reached there he was surprised, he was wondered. Why, you know, सारे पेड़ सूख चुके थे, all the trees and what you call plants got dry. That's why he just wondered to see this. बलराम ने सोचा कि श्याम झोंपड़ी को देखकर बहुत खुश होगा. बलराम thought that oh, Shyam will be happy when he see this hut, isn't it? A beautiful hut. लेकिन क्या हुआ? परंतु श्याम दुखी हो गया. But Shyam became sad seeing the condition of the plants. Okay, so we will wind up here. Read the chapter very well. See the dictation words also. What are the dictation words? कठिन शब्द प्रकृति, कलात्मक, झोंपड़ी, सपरिवार, वन संपदा, विशाल, भूखंड, निर्माण, विकास. These are the words. Bhukamp, isn't it? These are the dictation words. That means difficult words given in this textbook, this lesson. Okay, so don't forget about बलराम. भाइयों के नाम क्या क्या थे? बलराम और श्याम, है ना. बलराम, श्याम कैसा था? प्रकृति से बहुत प्रेम करने वाला. दोनों भाई बहुत मेहनती थे. तो श्याम ने एक फार्म लिया और वो जापान चला गया. What happened to the पौधे? All the plants got dry because Balram neglected the farm and the plants, isn't it? That's the reason. Then Balram ने, elder brother ने क्या किया? एक hut बनाया, artistic hut बनाया, isn't it? So he thought that maybe Shyam will be happy seeing this. That's why. Then what happened to Shyam when he returned to India from Japan? He was so sad to see the condition of the plants, isn't it? So read the chapter very well. Write and study the dictation words. Okay. Okay. We'll meet in next class. Okay. Thank you, children.